Hi Alek, how are you?
Fine, sir. What about you?
I'm good too, thank you. So can you tell us something about yourself?
Yes, sir. My name is Alek Pradhan,
Mm-hmm.
and I am from Odisha and currently staying in Hyderabad. I have completed my Bachelor of Computer Application from Berhampur University, Odisha in 2020, and I have completed my software testing training at QS Technology, Hyderabad. And my short-term goal is to achieve a job and get a higher position in same company. And my strength are I'm a good quick learner, and my hobbies are playing Uno and listening music, and that's all about me. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. So what I would suggest is, Alek, whenever you are, introducing yourself, you can also cover about the software testing projects that you have worked on. Right? See, you are a fresher. You haven't worked on any of the projects, but any freelancing thing that you have
Yes,
performed, any testing competitions, discussions you could have been in a part of, right? So those things you have to
okay,
take
sir.
care, right? Training you have
Okay,
completed, that is a good thing. Then you mentioned the institute name, that is also fine.
yes,
Manual and automation both you have done, right? That
yes,
is also
yes.
you have to address in an
Okay,
interview. Okay.
okay,
And
okay,
apart from that, you have to be confident. Speak loud,
okay,
right?
okay, sir.
If these headphones are not
Okay,
comfortable, then you can switch to other headphones. But speak loud, be clear, right? So people can
okay,
understand.
okay, sir.
Fine.
Okay.
So in your resume, you have mentioned you know about BDD framework. Okay. Now, what is
Yes.
BDD framework? Hmm.
Build means behavior data driven, and it starts from since the test scenarios, from writing test scenarios, and it's understand to every non-programmers also. That's why BDT framework is introduced.
Okay. So why do we go for BDD? It is good for non-technical people. It is useful for them.
Yes,
But
yes,
why do we
yes.
go for BDD?
Mm, it's not required any other tools to
Hmm.
log in our project. If we do a test engine framework, we need Apache Py to retrieve a data from Excel sheet. But in BDT, there is no required to Apache Py.
No, no, you will require. You will require it. So in BDD also, you will be writing the keywords in the feature file. What is feature file?
Picture file means one Cucumber test case writing template, like where we write our test case and test steps in a simple Greek language using
So,
Greek keywords.
right. So you will write the keywords in the form of given, when, then,
Yes,
and, right. And that feature file will be linked to the step definition file. In the step definition file, you will be writing the code. Now, let's say if you have to read from some particular Excel file. So in the step definition file, you
yes,
will be using Apache POI Excel file. So, right. So there is it's not a difference that you are not using Apache POI and BDD. It's not like that. You have to use it. Whenever you have to do coding, if you have to read data from Excel, that is one of the best way. So you have to use it, right? Okay.
okay,
Why
sir.
do we use BDD?
Mm, because if we write coding or something else, the non-programmer or business analysts are not understanding what we write or what we do. To understand non-programmer and business analyst and domain admin also to write our coding in simple English language to understand to them.
Okay,
That's all.
fine, fine. So that's why we use BDD. Okay. Now, what is runner file? What is test runner file in BDD?
Test owner file, we mentioned the test definition location by using blue keyword, and we mentioned the feature file locations to run
Hmm.
our feature file.
Okay.
We can run using test engine JUnit also.
Hmm. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of scenario outline in Cucumber?
Scenario outlines, if our test case require multiple data,
Sorry,
test
multiple
data to run test scenario outline, we give test data.
test data. Okay, okay. Then,
Yes.
hmm then,
After scenario outline, we give examples, and here we mention the test data.
okay,
Then our while we running that the test data given from example, this test data will be executed.
okay, right. So you were telling something about test data in the scenario outline. So what is that?
Yes. If it is our test case required, sometimes required multiple test data to execute the test case. Then this test data will be stored in like example keyword, and we mention the test data to that. And while executing our test case, retrieve the test data from examples section.
Okay. See, the purpose of using scenario outline is you will be able to parameterize the scenarios, right? So
Yes,
let's say, as you were telling, no, you would need to execute some particular test script with multiple set of data.
yes,
However, the test step remains the same. Test data is different. Test step remains the same. Then scenario
yes,
outline would be used, right? So that is the
yes,
purpose of scenario outline in the Cucumber,
okay,
right? Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Now, can you write a Java program to find out whether the number is a palindrome or not?
Yes, sir.
Right?
That's
Yeah.
right.
So I'm giving you screen
Can I?
sharing rights.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah. So you can click on share screen button, the green color, and you can share
okay,
your screen. Hmm.
okay. So in Notepad or Eclipse, can I use?
Whichever you are comfortable with.
Okay, sir.
I'm okay if you write program in any IDE or Notepad plus plus anything.
Okay, I used to write program in Eclipse ID.
Okay. Yeah, if you're comfortable with that, then we can go for that. Right. So it takes some time to open. So what do you do on weekends?
So in weekends, I go to lab, my institute lab.
Which
I'm
lab?
currently staying in institute, sir, QX lab.
Okay. Okay. Then what do you do over there? Watch movies?
Practice, no, sir, practice some programs, automation programs, and watch your videos, learn some new questions of the interview questions.
But in the institution, if you're watching my videos, then
No, sir, they
they'll
allow,
block
they
my
allow.
YouTube channel.
No, sir, no, sir. It's visible, sir, it's visible.
Yes, yes, you are writing palindrome, you are clicking on finish button, everything is visible. So what approach you are going to take?
First, first I copy the number from another variable, and I reverse the first number. Then I check the reverse number and the first number is same or not, equal or not.
Okay, yeah, let's see the program.
Yes, sir. It's done, sir.
Done. So now let us run this program. So which is the 242? Okay, this is a palindrome. Okay, great. So you are getting the desired output. Now can you explain the program?
Yes, sir. First, I take one number 242, which is a palindrome number, and
Mhm.
I copy the A value to B, and I declare a reverse variable first 0, give a value 0, and I start a while loop, one while loop. This
Mhm.
while loop run until a value becomes 0,
Okay.
and there is a I give the REV equal reverse number equal to reverse number into 1 plus
Mhm.
a modulus 10. A modulus 10 give the reminders. Sorry,
Mhm.
don't reminders.
Quotient.
Cost. And after that, I a equal to a divided by 10. I divided to 10, which is give the remainder. And until the it's rounding until a value becomes 0. And we give the reverse number of the value.
Okay. Okay, great. Now let's write the second program. So the string is testing and you have to find the number of characters and their count of occurrences. So let's say if the string is testing, so you will be coming up with the output like t will be repeated twice, then rest of the characters are not repeated, they are just coming once, right? So you have to find the number of occurrences of the characters in the string.
Okay.
Mm. So it seems you have done good practice for these Java programs.
Yes, sir.
I thought when you are going to the labs, you are watching movies on Netflix, but you are really
No,
practicing.
no, sir.
So you are from Hyderabad?
No, I'm from Odisha, staying in
Odisha.
Hyderabad.
Mhm.
Yes, since to the
Done?
can I run?
Yeah, you
I
can
don't
run and
sure.
yeah, let's see what is the output you are getting. T should be twice. Okay, so you are getting the character which is coming twice, but what should be the output is the number of characters and their occurrences. So T twice, E
Okay,
once,
okay.
S once,
Okay.
I once, similar N and G.
Mm.
So there are multiple approaches with which you can approach this problem statement. One is you can use Java hash map. One is you can use counter array, right? Okay. So are you done with the program?
Yes, about the number of multiple
Okay.
character
So
items.
run this program. What you are getting? P1. So what is the string you have taken? Apple. Okay.
PH
Let me.
2.3.
Okay. Let me share my screen.
Okay.
Hmm. So as I was mentioning it to you, let me share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So what we are going to do is first we will be creating an array,
Okay.
right? Then we will be finding the length of the string. So whatever
Understand.
string you get in the program or you take by your choice,
Okay.
initialize the, so length you will take, then initialize the count array index. So this is,
Then,
yeah, a counter approach, right? Then
okay.
for loop, in the for loop we will be having a condition of I is less than length, right? Then it
Okay.
will I plus plus for every loop, right? Now
Yes.
whenever
Yes.
you are running for loop, you will create an array of given string size. So this will be an
Okay.
array, right? Character. And again, you need a for loop. So there are multiple for loops which are required,
Okay.
right? And at the end, you will be having a if condition, right? So let's say if someone took the string like this, PNE, P numol. So that's a weird string that I have taken for now, right? So that's how the output will come to you. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now share your screen, and you have to automate the Amazon web page. You have to log in and you have to search any product on that page. So you have to create end-to-end automation script which should launch Amazon website, then search any product and try to capture the number of results received. So let us see.
Okay.
So any product you can search.
Okay.
So great, you got a ID. Unfortunately, in
Yes.
most of the real-time applications which you have to automate, you won't get that ID.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's turning out to be a lucky day for you. So why are you using list web element here on 22nd line?
To count how many products are showing.
Okay, in this manner. Okay, fine, fine. Instead of this, again, you can go to that website.
Okay.
Yeah. So at the top, you're getting that text 1 to 48 of
Yes,
our.
sir.
Yeah. So this text you can use.
Yes, I don't notice this.
Hmm. Fine. Now let's run it once, whatever you have developed so far. Why are you using thread.sleep?
To source the application, source the results will take some time.
So you can use soft delays. You can use wait.
Yes.
Yeah, run this program once. There is some error coming at
Question.
23 or 24. Remove that thing. System.out.println. Okay, now run it once.
Yes.
Hmm.
Asking the question.
Hmm. So this happens. No.
Yes.
Sometimes you get such kind of screens also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, show me that script that you have created. Okay, fine. So two IDs and click here. And instead of thread.sleep, you can go for wait mechanism.
Wait.
Fine.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can stop sharing the screen. Okay. Now, what do you know about Java collections?
Java collections.
Hmm.
Java collections is used for if you want to represent a individual object in a single unit where duplicates are allowed.
So why are Java collections used for? So what is Java collection?
Java collection, if you want to represent a individual objects in a single unit,
Hmm.
then we use Java collection.
Right. So you mean Java collection is nothing but it's a single unit of object. The
Yes.
framework provides many interfaces such as set, list,
List,
queue,
list,
right?
yes, yes,
And
map,
classes is also there. Head set, linked head
yes,
set, tree set, array list,
array
vector,
list,
linked
linked
list,
list, yes.
right? So this is how you can tell in an interview. Okay. What do you know about Java hash table class?
Java,
Hash table class.
HTML,
Java hash table class.
hash level.
Hmm.
In hash level, we store the individual objects in value and key and value pairs.
Hmm. So which
Not
interface is been implemented by hash table?
map interface.
Map interface, right? And
Interface.
which class
Yes.
has been inherited?
Ha- Hash map.
No, no. Which class has been inherited?
Whose class?
Hmm.
Mhm.
It inherits the dictionary class. What is inheritance?
Dictionary.
Yeah. What is
Inheritance
inheritance?
acquire the properties from one class to another class.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Alec, I am done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, sir. What can I improve myself?
So I think, see, your basic concepts are clear, and we took interview more on Selenium, automation, Java today because in your resume those things are there. So definitely questions will come, right? So you have to practice on Java programs. You remember the program, the second program which you attempted, in which you had to find the number of occurrences of each character in the string. So those kind of programs you should definitely practice. Rest all looks good.
Okay.
Your fundamentals, your basics are clear. So you should take out some time for Java practice, else that is fine. Right? Okay. Thank you
Thank you,
so
sir.
much. And it was nice talking to you.
Thank,
Wish you all
thank
the
you too, sir.
wish you all the best for your career.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.